this is where I don't agree. I don't agree that people are giving Lane Bernardo so much hate for honesty. I do not agree that just because she's pregnant, you have every right to curse her or her child that is unborn and in her tummy. I don't understand why people are getting so riled up over a woman looking for longaniza in a breakfast buffet that she expected to find that specific thing. Alam nyo guys, maldita sa maldita ako. Alam nyo yan. There is absolutely no question that I would cut a person in half with insults if I have to. But this has got to stop. You need to chill out. You need to let people speak their mind. She did not say anything wrong. All she said was things that she knew were true to her. Her not recommending a place is not wrong. People do it all the time. We need to stop being super unkind and super sensitive over things that really do not matter. Sinabi ko na to sa video ko kahapon. Her review will not hurt the restaurant. It won't. 85 pesos for vegetables and fish will still be a hit to people who like it. But you insulting a woman with an unborn child is going to come back to you in so many ways, and trust me, it will. Ginawa niyo yan sa akin when I did not have the same opinion as you. Ginawa niyo yan sa akin, you insulted me, cursed my son, to whatever circle of hell you believe is right for us. And yet it is your lives that is not getting any better. You know why? Because karma is awake and she rarely sleeps. And I don't understand why people have to go through great lengths to insult and curse somebody just because they don't share your opinion. Hindi ko gets yan, guys. Ako okay lang sa akin. I am super unaffected and unbothered by people with small minds doing that to me and my son because you know what? You're only noisy on the internet. You don't really make good on your threats, and if you did, you will meet how great I am in person. But para sa akin, I will repeat this over and over, and I made a video on this yesterday with my son present. There is nothing wrong with what Lane Bernardo said, so please leave her alone. I cannot relate to her at all because I've made clear I don't like vegetables and fish that early in the morning, and I really don't like longanisa and prefer chorizo de Cebu. So I hope you guys chill out and move on to the next issue. Am I clear? Thanks. Ingat!
So na naka-imig 14D. Tuara si Andre.
Sinolo! It's my birthday tomorrow!
Mayroon tanan. Kabisi. Bayaran daw nila Ate Bong Chip. Woo! Kabisi ba din kabisi?
Sila may karga ni tanan.
Wala na isukli dad, ihatag na dad.
100, kaya uli ag 100.
Nay uli ag 100.
Okay.
Yay! Yay! Okay na. Sus naglalis pa. Itag ko ate sa picture na to. Di ba busy kay siya? Laban. Love you do. Dali na ka Dre, dali na Dre.
Hinay lang kay mga pa.
Okay, so padong namig ayala guys.
Kuna dong, sayo na ka do? Nitan! Naku, nandiyo ka kayo pag-build pa do.
Ano wala?
Oh, nababa na.
No.